Hey guys, welcome to the next tutorial of Service Seller app. So in this video lecture, we are going to add the service to the cloud Firestore. In the previous lecture, we saw that how to upload an image to Firebase storage and get their downloaded URL. So in this video, we are going to add that downloaded URL of image and the relative fields of with respect to that, like title, price, and description, into the cloud Firestore. So let's get started. So I'm going to add another method, void upload data upload service. Okay, and now I'm going to, if title controller, I'm going to add a validation, title controller dot text is equal to null, or price controller dot text is equal to null, or description controller dot text is equal to null, or selected category is equal to null, because we don't have to let user to not fill any field or just select the value from category. So we want a user to fill all the fields and select the category. Then we are going to add an field service to the cloud Firestore. And we are also going to add another check, image URL. If image URL is equal to null, because image is also a compulsory. So let me just format the code with dart format. So here it is. That's it. So now I am going to this, if any of this condition will be true, then we are going to add flutter toast dot show toast, please fill all fields. Okay, we are going to show the toast message. Else we are going to add if any of these condition is for not true, then we are going to else section, and here I am going to add a data to the Firebase Firestore, cloud Firestore. So Firebase Firestore dot instance dot collection, name of collection is services dot doc, and the doc, and here I will pass the user dot uid. Let me go here and copy this line and paste it here, and user async user dot uid dot set, and here we have just removed this data, and here the first field will be a title, and here the value is title controller dot text, and the next field will be a price, and the price will be a, so price controller dot text, and the third field will be a description, and this, and now description, the value of it will be description controller dot text. And now in the uid is equal to user dot uid, and we are also going to add an image field, also image, and here I pass a image URL, okay, in which we have a downloaded URL. So now we are all done with this Firebase data. We are going to add all this data to the cloud Firestore. So now I am going to add a circular progress indicator. When this function is called, we are going to show the circular progress indicator until the data is uploaded to cloud Firestore. So this is the code for showing circular progress indicator. So just show dialog method, and here I pass the circular progress indicator and background color green accent, so you can pass the color of your own choice as well. So now I'm going to code the next. Then if it is successful, then we are going to add a toast message here, flutter toast dot show toast, and here service added successfully. Okay, service added successfully. And here I will add a navigator, and this one, and here I will call a navigator dot off dot pop. Okay, fine. So now just reload the app, and instead of this function I will call that function here await. This one I am going to call this function here, and in the upload button, add service button, I am going to add a upload data upload service. Okay, now I just add a async variable and await here, and now just hot reload the app and see whether the let's remove an error. Whether so we just this is a void, so we can now we can make it a future, and this one also make it a feature. So instead of calling inside another method, we are going to call that two functions in the on tap. So first I have until the upload image is not executed completely, it will not goes to the upload service. So that's why I'm putting a await here. So now just hot reload the app and see whether it's working perfectly fine or not. So just provide title car, just provide we are going, so here is an error, so we just remove that error first. So in the body, and I'm going to wrap the column widget with the single child scroll view. Okay, so now hot reload it, and these yellow black lines will be removed. So that's it. Now car wash, and price will be 120, and description I wash your car. Okay, so I wash your car, and in the choose category I am going to use a car wash, and in add image I am going to select an gallery, and here I have one image. You can choose the image of your own choice. Now I am going to press an add service button. So let me check whether it is uploading your data or not. Just wait for 1 to 2 seconds. So let's move towards Firebase console and check whether the data is uploaded complete successfully or not. So I'm going to Chrome, and here Firestore database. So here there's the services section, and there's a UID and description, image, price, title, and UID. Everything is perfectly fine. The services are uploaded perfectly. So that's it for this video. Add service section is completely end here. So in the next video we are going to fetch the services and show in the service all services screen. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. If you have any query, you can contact me 24/7, and just share the video with others. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.